I'd like to welcome you to jazzpianolessons.com. This is your premier site if you're interested in learning jazz piano. We also teach blues and rock as well, but our focus is on jazz. So let's step through the site here. So you can watch this inside look video. If you scroll down, if you want to just become a member, click on Become a Member, or if you want to see our lesson samples, you could click here for the lesson samples. You could read through all of this. It gives you information about the program. We're running a special, so if you want to lock in your low rate, you could save up to 31 or 33% if you decide to go for monthly or for 1 year. Let me just tell you very quickly about this. You can read all of this. This is billed every month. This means that every month you will be charged $20 for access to the site, or this is billed just one time for the year. All right. So if you just want to sign up for 1 year and not be billed again, then you can go ahead and sign up for the year. Or if you like lifetime access, you can go ahead and purchase lifetime access, and you will only be billed once, and you will have lifetime access to all of the lessons and resources. There are a bunch of great FAQs down here you could read through, and then this tells you all of the different lessons and courses that you're going to get inside of the site, and this gives you some information about the free 12-key quick reference bonus course. All right, so let's take a look at the course samples. All right, so if we go to the lesson samples here, there's nothing to sign up for. You get access to the samples right on the sample page. Right? And all you want to do is just go ahead and scroll down. You could read about the Confident Improviser and all these different programs. You'll notice here the Jazz Piano Lessons is divided up into basically 5 different programs. These are 5 popular programs. The Confident Improviser, great if you're interested in learning how to improvise, even if you're an absolute beginner. Piano Essentials, this is absolutely necessary. This teaches you all of your proper technique at the piano, scales, triads, chords, basic progressions, even rootless chords. Chord Essentials are 10 different style and rhythm variations that go through all 12 keys. So there are 120 different lessons in that Chord Essentials program. You'll learn blues, jazz, rock, funk, even some classical type styles with Chord Essentials. Standards by the Dozen, this is where you learn how to create arrangements of popular standards. These are jazz standards, blues, rock, whatever. And then Piano Accompaniment Essentials, if you're interested in accompanying yourself while singing or accompanying anyone else, this is a must-have course as well. And like I said, you can go down and you can take a look at different samples. There's over 90 minutes of video that you can take a look at. And if you want the sheet music, just click on download the sheet music button, put in your name and email address there, and then the sheet music will get sent directly to your email box. All right. So moving down, you can see Standards by the Dozen, what it is you're going to learn here in that. You can take a look at some of these sample lessons, and in Piano Essentials, same thing, and in Piano Accompaniment Essentials and Chord Essentials. So there's a lot of great information on this page. When you are ready to sign up, and go right back to Jazz Piano Lessons. Since I am logged in, this menu is a little bit different. You'll normally see sign up there and free lessons or free samples. But right now, since I'm logged in, the menu is changed. I just wanted to show you this quickly. When you come down to Standards by the Dozen, you'll see you're going to learn great standards like Days of Wine and Roses, Autumn Leaves, Misty, The Way You Look Tonight, All the Things You Are, My Funny Valentine, Green Dolphin Street, and even Billy Joel's New York State of Mind. So these 8 songs in here, these are big lessons that teach you a lot. You're going to learn a lot of cool stuff in there. All right, now let's jump into the the member side of things. This is what it looks like once you come into the course. We designed this to be extremely simple to be able to utilize and view. You can see it's a very simple dashboard. If you want to take a look at how to get started, you can click on this. It gives you some good information on how you should get started, how you can download the sheet music, and all of that good stuff. All right, I'll click back on my dashboard here. And then I can just jump right to the courses, all right? I can also jump to them just by going right in here as well, but let me click on Jump to Courses. You'll see all of my courses listed out. This is the order in which you should do them. The quick reference, you could do that at any point, right? So I put it down there, but you could start with that or do it at the end. It's completely up to you. So if I come into Level 1, the beginner, you'll notice right here on the all of the courses and lessons are listed out for you. All right, so it's very, very simple. You could take notes as well. And it's very easy to be able to see which courses and lessons you finished by clicking on this expand all. You could see the green check marks. Those are all done. Okay, I need to finish on this one, so I can pick up where I left off, click on this, get right in here, watch the video, and once I'm done with it, simply click the mark complete button, and then it's going to take me right to the next lesson. If I want to get to the sheet music, I can just click on the course. And then you'll see that right within the course, I can again see all the lessons, but then I have all of my materials right there. I can download all of my sheet music and backing tracks. All right, so that is the inside of the site. It's very, very simple to use. Again, we've designed this to make it so that it gets out of your way when you are practicing, right? You want to be able to get in here, practice the stuff that you want to practice without having technology get in your way. Now, one question students have is, well, do I have to start with level 1? Can I go right to level 3? Absolutely. The entire site is unlocked for you. So you can go to any lesson, any course, and view that topic. All right, I want to jump right into TCI exercise number 16. Okay, I click right in there. Again, my materials are right there. Okay, let me take a look at the exercise 16. And now I got my video right there. I can go ahead and view that. All right, so I don't have to go in order, but the beauty is that if you're looking for that step-by-step process, you can go in order. All right, so it's completely up to you if you want to go in order or if you want to simply, just browse around the site. You'll see that there are quite a few lessons in here. All right, we are not adding any more lessons to the site. Jazz Piano Lessons is already set, and all of the lessons are now set. So no new material is added to the site. However, there is plenty of material that will keep you going for months and months and months. And when you are ready to move on, then you can simply just go to our Jazzedge Academy class and site. So all I do is go right on down to the bottom here. You see the Jazzedge Academy, and you can click over the Jazzedge Academy, and then you can learn more about Jazzedge Academy. This is our premier site as well that has just over 1,000 lessons. There's so much content on this site. You will never have a loss of stuff to practice. All right, so anyway, that is jazzpianolessons.com. I hope that you'll take a look at it. I hope that you'll decide to join me inside of the site. This pricing is very, very fair, and it is extremely valuable based on everything that you're going to get within the site. So I hope that you'll join me, and I'll see you inside the site.